Hello, I'm John Hurd. I've been representing Social Security disability claimants and SSI claimants for over 30 years, and I'm a named partner in Hurd & Smith. Right now I'd like to talk with you about a question that I'm sometimes asked: how can I get a different administrative law judge to be the judge in my case? Well, unfortunately, they don't let you pick your administrative law judge. And that is unfortunate if you have a judge whose history is of denying more cases than he or she allows. Most judges in this country will allow 2/3 or 70%, somewhere in that range, or even more of the cases that come before them. But there are judges who will deny 60 or 70 or even 80% of the cases that come before them. And the statistics for that are available on a judge-by-judge basis. You can look the judge up by name, and in another answer I will go into some detail about how you do that. But if you discover that you have a judge who's unsympathetic to claimants and you would like to have a different administrative law judge, unfortunately, there's typically very little that you can do. However, if you move to another state, frankly, this could be that important to you in your life. If you're really counting on getting your disability benefits to have some money coming in and also to have medical care, and if you have a way to live in a different state where you might have a judge that's more sympathetic, it might very well be worth it to you to relocate at least long enough to have your hearing conducted in a different Office of Hearings and Appeals. The way it works is that your residence, where you're actually living, is going to determine which Office of Hearings and Appeals conducts your case. Now, within that Office of Hearings and Appeals, you'll be assigned, your case will be assigned, your request for hearing, to a specific administrative law judge. And you won't know who that judge is going to be until you receive the notice of hearing, or if you have a lawyer representing you, they might be able to find out by calling the hearing office. But even then, it'll probably be pretty shortly before the notice would come to you anyway that you would find that out. So the bottom line is you don't have any control over which judge is assigned to your case, but if you physically relocate to a different area that is covered by a different hearing office, you do have the possibility of having a different administrative law judge. Now, I want to emphasize that it's very important to tell the truth to the Social Security Administration. It's required by law. It's obviously not only a good policy, but in this case it would be a criminal offense if you didn't do that. So you would never want to say that you were at one location when in fact you resided at another. But if in truth and fact you are in a different location, you could have a different administrative law judge, and possibly an administrative law judge who would be more sympathetic to your case.
If you have a question or comment about this video, please send us an email to webclients@hurdandsmith.com. We also welcome your questions on Social Security disability. Send us an email and we will reply with an answer. We may even answer your question in a video. For a free consultation with disability specialists who can help determine if you are eligible for Social Security disability benefits, call us today toll-free at 1-877-435-3737. To learn more about Social Security disability benefits, visit hurdandsmith.com to download our no-cost disability guidebook.